Hi, writers. I'm super excited for writing today because we're going to be starting a new type of writing called All About Books. And for All About Books, you get to write about things you know all about. I'm not at my writing space today because I want to talk to you about the first step for All About Book writing. That's something that's going to happen all throughout the day at different times, not just when you're in your writing space. The first step is to brainstorm a list of things that you know all about. And sometimes that's hard to do when you're just sitting there like, let me think of a list of things I know about. And then your brain goes blank. So what I want you to do today, writers, I'm inviting you to find somewhere that you can write your ideas down, somewhere that it will be out in the open for you so that whenever you think of an idea that you know about, you can go right to your list and write it down so you don't forget. So I have a notepad that I found on my fridge, and I thought, you know what? That's the perfect place to keep my topics because it'll be out in the open. And when I'm doing the dishes, or if I'm out there cooking, or if I'm getting ready for my day, or just relaxing, and I think of an idea that I know about, I can go right out to the kitchen and put it on my list. So, writers, I want you to find something to write on. You can take some paper and fold it, or you can find a notebook, or maybe you have a notepad and start making your list. Brainstorming. That means you just let your brain go and think about all the things that you might know about that you want to use as your topic for writing. So I wrote my topics at the top, and now I have my list, and I wrote plant seeds, yoga, because I know about that, the moon, I know about the moon. I know how to camp, so I wrote camping. And I know about the birds at my bird feeder because I've been watching those a lot lately and finding what likes my seeds that I'm putting out. So I wrote down birds at my feeder. You see how I did that? Now I'm going to leave my list out in the kitchen. I'm going to take it out there now. And then if I have any other ideas, I'll keep a pen with my list and I'll just keep adding to my topics so that next time it's time to write, I can look at my idea list and pick one to write about. So writers, I'm inviting you to do that today too. Get your topic list going. The next few slides will show you some ideas for your topics and then also a sample journal for you to make to write your topic ideas down. So have fun, writers, and I'll see you tomorrow for writing.